The love heart. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert hook into the loop on mid finger. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 6 crochets. Mark the first stitch. Continue to work 5 more crochets in the same way. Six crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 1 crochet or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. The second set, work 1 crochet and 1 increase. The third set, work 1 crochet and 1 increase. Three sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 2 crochets or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 crochets. Mark the first crochet. Work 1 more crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 crochets in the same stitch. The second set, work 2 crochets and 1 increase in turn. The third set, work 2 crochets and 1 increase. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 3 crochets or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 3 crochets. Mark the first crochet. Work 2 more crochets. Next, work 1 increase. One set is done. The second set, work 3 single crochets and 1 increase in turn. The third set, work 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Round 4 is done. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Pull the yarn tail out. The first fabric is completed. Repeat rounds 1 to 4 to make one more fabric. Don't break yarn for the second one. The second fabric is completed. Then work 1 snip stitch to connect 2 fabrics. Then work 1 chain stitch and 15 single crochets on the first fabric. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 15 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 40 more single crochets in the same way. This snip stitch serves as a collection and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Fifteen single crochets are done. Then work 15 single crochets on the second fabric. 15 single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. Okay. Round 5 is done.